Hi there, it's Nina Nandagopal at almostpractical.com, and as promised, I am showing you my second Black Friday unboxing of my Erin Condren haul. I did make 2 orders because the sale was that good, and my second order came before my first one, so I'll link up the other video too, but this is the first order, and I have, other than cutting the tape on the box, I have not opened it yet. I love the color of this box. This light pink is so pretty. So let's dive in, shall we? So inside we have the newsletter that Erin Condren puts out, and as always, packaged really nicely, the bubble wrap. Okay, so I ordered a bunch of little planner charms this time because I have a bunch of petite planner folios now, and I really like the way these look on them. So this is the Druzy Pink charm, and in the camera, if you can see it, it's really pretty. It's light. It's a little more pinker than the white one, but it's really pretty. Then this one is the Druzy Black, I believe. So I got this. Oh no, I'm sorry. This is the Druzy Blue. And that's this one. And this one, I don't know. The stone is a little bit weird on this one. I'm not loving that. But I suppose that they're just all have their own little idiosyncrasies. So the pink I really like. The blue, the stone is a little odd. And then the black is really pretty. Okay. And there's the black one. That is just gorgeous. I do like this one. So here's the 3 of them all next to each other. If you can see that. And then I did get one of their other planner charms that was that says Inspire, and it's a silver charm. On my other planner, I already own the initial one, and that is a gold one, but this is silver, and it's a little bit of a longer chain, and that's really pretty. It's got a nice weight to it, so it feels really solid. I don't know, I hope you can see that in the camera, because I know that there's the glare. So that is the one that says Inspire, really pretty. Now this I was able to snag. I was really excited because they are out of stock, or have been out of stock since the first day of the Black Friday sale. Just grab some scissors and cut this bag open, but it is like that velvet, the velvet pen pouch or pencil pouch, the gray one was out of stock when I looked, so they did have the blue velvet, and that's really pretty and soft, and it has a gold zipper. So this is great for carrying a few pens around in your whatever layout colors that you're using, and it also has the strap on the back, so you can strap it around your petite planner or your life planner, whatever you're working on. For the Black Friday sale, the first, until I guess supplies ran out, or for the insiders, they put in a bonus of these 2 dual tip, they're brush tip markers. So I have not tried these, so I'm looking forward to doing that. And then I got this set of Christmas sort of stickers for the holidays, which I thought would be nice to do a layout with those. And a set of mosaic, this is the mosaic pattern of stickers, and I changed the color a little bit from what was on the website. So I think I used a pool and a sapphire, if I remember correctly. So these are really pretty. I like the way those came out. I got the designer sticker book, the monthly collection, edition 4. So this is actually the older one. I just got the edition 5 in the second order from Black Friday, but I got the edition 4 first and then decided I'd like to get the 5 as well. So I did order that. And then, oh, right here I got the metallic washi tape tape duo. So these have those Erin Condren logo sort of stars that she uses, and they're in 2 rolls of washi tape. And then I decided, I do use the Life Planner, but I also use my Petite planners. So I've seen people do both. I was torn, but I thought, okay, well, I want to share this stuff with you. And so I decided to go ahead and get the Petite planners, the whole set for the year, the 2020 Daily Planner. And so it comes 1 book per quarter. So this is April through June. This is October to December. This is July to September. That goes here, and then January to March. So I got, if you bought all 4 at the same time, they were sold at a discount. So I decided to do that and use these more as my rough everyday kind of planner, jot things down. I figure there's going to be more space in these because they're 1 page per day, and then 1 page, I think, for both Saturday and Sunday. And then the Life Planner is a weekly layout, so it's 2 pages per week. So I'll see. I'm going to see how that goes, and I will show you as I go along with it. And finally, I got the, I had to check, I got this, I've seen a lot of people talking about this on-the-go folio insert organizer. So this is sort of a plastic insert that goes inside your on-the-go folio. I figured I'd try it. I kind of like the flexibility of the on-the-go folio cover without having something in there, but a lot of people were really, talking about this, so I thought I'd give it a try. It does feel really solid. It feels like it's a good quality. And I know on the website right now, I believe it's out of stock. So it must be a popular item. So I'm going to see how that works with my planning. And probably going to be harder to get this out. Here we go. So yeah, it's definitely a good quality plastic, nice and heavy duty. And there is like a little envelope back here that you could stick some stickers in, and like 3 pockets there, and some pockets on this side. So I'm going to think about this and see how I want to use this. But anyway, that's my first Black Friday order, but my second one to be received. So if you missed the first unboxing, then I will link it up in this video in one of the corners, so you can see what that one was all about and what Erin Condren goodies I got there. And I will just lay these out for you so you can see all the stuff that I got in this box. I've been pretty happy with all of the items so far. I mean, just on the surface, I haven't used any of them, obviously, but they all are as expected, except for this blue druzy charm. The thing about these druzy charms is they're sort of like a natural stone kind of thing, and so they're rough on the top, and that's the design of them. I have a white one, and it too has its own like sort of unique shape to it. So both of these, the black and the pink, are really pretty, and they look good. But this blue one, it's sparkly and nice, but I don't know if you can see it in this video. It's kind of odd. Like it sort of sticks out weird. I don't know if I can file it down a little bit. It's sort of like a mountain there on the one side. I think if it was just a little bit lower, it would look okay. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this one. Not thrilled. But everything else is absolutely fabulous. So I am excited to get started with all of that. So this is Nina Nandagopal at almostpractical.com. I hope that you will subscribe to my channel, and I have links to all these products in the description below this video. So yeah, so thank you so much for stopping by.